right now I'm in the Poonch. I'm in the same area where from morning 5 a.m. there was a high intensity mortar shelling from the side of the Pakistan. There also was the ballistic missile which was guided towards the entire Jammu Kashmir, and we saw it moving towards the Poonch as well. Also right now the place where I'm standing, it's almost 50 meters from the LC, and also there are several houses which has been destroyed and collapsed in the Poonch district. Right now we have got to know that there's one casualty which has been reported in the Poonch district. Also since 5 a.m. there has been continuous artillery retaliation from our sides as well. Also we saw that there were almost 10 drones which were intercepted in the same place where I'm standing right now. Also from the Mender, from the Surankot, from the Sagara and from the Digwar, from every place there was a heavy artillery shelling from the side of Pakistan, and below and where I'm standing and below me the village which is the LC village, that was majorly targeted by the Pakistan and also civilians. Right now the major casualty of civilians is not reported, only one is reported, but yes, there are several houses and vehicles which were parked, they are burnt into ashes, and also the civilians' houses completely collapsed and destroyed. There's the latest report from the Poonch, and also there has been advisory which has been issued that no one should come out of the house. There's no electricity, there's no electricity, there's no movement in the entire Poonch district. Also there's a 100% evacuation in the Poonch district. Only in the village area we see the people in the village right now, but in the city it is completely evacuated.